Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels and the settings. So open up the settings app and now go over to sound and vibration. Right here we want to check for our media volume and the call volume. So we want to increase our media volume up to the max. Now, since that's increased already, the call volume, then what can we do next is clean the speaker grills. So we have these speaker grills on both sides of the screen. So here we have two, and here we also have two. So what we want to do is basically clean them up with, for example, even a soft brush. You guys can also use anything else like an air compressor, but soft brush does the job way better. Now, what you guys want to do next is go over and disable Bluetooth just by going into connected devices, then connection preferences, and then selecting Bluetooth. Now, what this will do is basically it will ensure that audio isn't rerouted anywhere else. So for an example, it's not rerouted to, let's say, your headphones, your car, or anything else. So disable Bluetooth, and now what you guys want to do is go over and restart your tablet to fix any minor glitches. So the way you do that is you basically hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now, what you guys want to do is go over and press restart, and after you press restart, your tablet will start restarting. So the screen went black, and now all you have to do is wait. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is let's quickly unlock the device. What you guys can do is go over and update your software. So you need to open up the settings right here. Now, after you open up the settings, you want to go and scroll all the way down here until you see About Phone. Now, go to the basic info section and select System Updates. Now, here you will have a button to check for updates or download if you do not have the latest version. So I have a download button, but the battery required for an update is 30%. I'm at 24 right now, so I cannot update it. But as you guys can see here, you can easily download this. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.